Hey guys, welcome to OnceHub tutorials. My name is Shanu and I'm a part of OnceHub support team. In this video, I will show you a powerful tool in OnceHub, which is Theme Designer, that lets you customize the look and feel of your booking pages and master pages from logo, button color, background image, and font style. Using this option, you can match your pages to your brand. Each booking page or master page can have its own theme. All your themes are centrally managed, so any update will be applied in real time. So let's go. Once you log into your OnceHub account, you will be landed on the home page. From here, click on Booking Pages from the left panel. Next, hover your mouse over the left panel and click on Theme Designer. Here, you can create a new theme by clicking on Create Theme button, enter the theme name, and select one of the base theme, either light or dark. Let's go with the light one. Here you can customize the theme properties including header logo. You can set your brand logo at the top left corner of your booking page. You can change the button color using this option. You can change the button font color, white, black, or automatic. You can change the font. And next is the booking form field. You can set to modern fields with underline or classic fields with boxes. Next is the page background. You can set the background color or an image. Let me set an image. You can also hide the background image on phone as well as website embed button or widget. Next is the interaction panel. You can control the opacity of this panel, the image shape, which will be the event types, the border, as well as the border color. Last is the information panel. You can change the opacity of this panel. You can change the image shape of your booking page logo. You can change the image border as well as image border color. Once you're satisfied, you can click on Save and click on Apply button. Here you can apply this theme on the relevant booking pages as well as master pages. For example, I want to apply this theme on a selected booking page. Now click on Apply and you're all set now. You can also change the theme directly from the booking page overview section by clicking the drop down next to theme and select the theme you want. So yeah, that was it from my side, and I'll see you in the next one.